So you have already edited your photos and now you want to print it and you're trying to figure out, then you've come to a right place. In this video, I'm going to show you how to print your photos in the Pixlr app. It's quite simple, all you have to do is follow along. So first thing first, let's go into the app itself. Let's tap in Pixlr and okay, this is the photo you want to print. So let's go to done, and here you can see the more options. Here you can see various options like copy, save image, assign to contact, and right below assign to contact you can see print option. All you have to do is tap in that option, and here you can even like how many copies you want, like 1, 2, 3, 4. You can choose as many you'd like. You can also choose your paper sizes, like whether you want in 4:6 or stuff like that. Maybe this is the standard one. Let's go back, and once you're okay with all the settings, with the number of copies and the paper size, all you gotta do is hit that print button, and this is how you print your photos in the Pixlr app. I hope this video was helpful. If so, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video.